Magandang umaga. We are here in Barangay Bula, Zone 6, Barangay Bula in General Santos City. And I am very blessed to be planting some mangroves in this 11 hectare mangrove project of a people's organization called Zone 6 Small Fishermen's Association. They have been managing, protecting this mangrove for more than a decade already. I think close to 2 decades already. And what we're doing here is right now, I have the privilege of planting some mangrove seedlings. No? This is Bakawan Babae, and the one taking this video is Cheryl. Cheryl is the president of this people's organization. They've been doing a lot of good work here. They are able to protect this mangrove forest, which is very near a highly urbanized city like Jensan. And they have a lot of challenges. And one way for us to support them is we visit the mangrove, we buy some seedlings from them because that is their source of livelihood, and we plant mangroves here in this 11 hectare project of theirs. Actually, according to Cheryl, only about 5 hectares have been planted, so there's much space for us to plant mangroves. There are 4 major species here, Bakawan varieties, the Pagatpat, the Bungalon, and there's a new one. Ano nga po tawag nun? Yung bagong, yung isang
Tungog.
Species, Tungog. And then this one, these big mangroves actually are more than 50 years old, close to 60 or 70 years old. And these people's organizations have been able to protect this. Maganda po itong proyekto ng isang people's organization, most members of which are wives of fishermen who are fishing here in Sarangani Bay. And you know, one of the benefits of mangroves is that they serve as fisheries, sea life nurseries, where it boosts the fishes that are being caught in Sarangani Bay. So ako po ay magtatanim na ngayon ng isang mangrove, and I'm really happy to be able to visit this. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.